Here's what most people get wrong about elimination diets. I work with a lot of patients who are on some form of an elimination or restricted diet, whether it's the AIP diet, the autoimmune protocol diet, or a SIBO, small intestine bacterial overgrowth diet, or some specific carbohydrate diet. They're eliminating something because to them their body is in some way intolerant to those and things. And they're noticing that, they've eliminated these things and they feel better, and now they're, having a plight. The plight is like, do they eliminate this particular item for the rest of their lives? Are they doomed to have this kind of restriction? I want to take a step back and I want to understand what the purpose is. Elimination diets in general fall into two different categories. One of which is that you are eliminating something to which your immune system is reacting. You've lost your tolerance to certain foods. And in that response, your body is having either a histamine reaction or it's having a full blown inflammatory reaction. So you isolate what foods they are, and then you allow the immune system to calm down. Or your own internal biome in some way is disrupted and you're fermenting foods. And therefore, you're getting, burping and belching and pain. Regardless, it usually feels pretty good to identify the specific food or foods that reduce the pain, that reduce the discomfort, that reduce the symptoms that you have. There's no argument about that. It helps. The real question is, what are you doing at that point? What are you going to do differently to change your biome or to change the way that your immune system responds to these foods? I'll tell you what I find frequently. A patient who begins to eliminate food over time notices that they have to eliminate more and more food to keep their symptoms suppressed. So, my question to you is this: if you find yourself on an elimination diet, if you find yourself on a diet that eliminates something from your body in order to suppress symptoms, what are you doing in order to reprogram your immune system or to permanently change your biome? An elimination diet is not the cure. The elimination diet removes the irritation, and it still means the cure is in front of you.